Not all nature projects are equal. Some promise the world, but few can truly deliver it. When nature-based solutions get it right, they empower vulnerable communities, sequester carbon at pace, and restore precious biodiversity. For over half a decade, Earthly has analysed more than 1,000 nature projects for integrity, and over 90% don't meet our minimum standards. Now, those 5 years of learning have delivered something deeper, more advanced, truly transformative. Introducing Keystone 3, the world's most comprehensive assessment for nature projects. The depth of Keystone 3 allows us to assess carbon, social and nature impact across every ecosystem, registry and project type. Validated through over 160 data points and covering 5 core principles: additionality, leakage, accuracy, baselines and permanence. AI powers our pre-screening, which brings unprecedented precision, speed and transparency. This is why Earthly is trusted by some of the world's leading companies, businesses that invest only where the science stands up. Because the planet doesn't need more promises, it needs proof. Earthly's Keystone 3, setting a new global benchmark for integrity. Beyond carbon, beyond doubt.